look at the other one that runs away from the camera. No, he didn't run, man. What you gonna tell the camera today, man? Jeff, I'm gonna kick your ass. That's what you're gonna say, right? Big boy got a beautiful car, big deal, man. But we got somebody very beautiful in the building, man. State your name for the camera.
Jason,
tell us about your car. We're gonna go see it, but tell us a little bit about what made you get this mopar and what was this traveling, basically this whole experience of you dealing with this mopar that you own. You got a grenade in the shirt, by the way. We got two mopars.
I got my truck in there. I covered that. My RT, I got my HELLCAT red eye now, and I'm down here for Wham, so I stopped getting my steering wheel hooked up. But I just been a mopar guy, loved it my whole life, and can afford it now, and that's what I got. I want to customize it for everybody enjoys it like I do.
Well, when he's talking about customizing, man, let me tell y'all something. He's got one of the hardest challenges, you know what I'm saying? Simply a very unique car. In fact, I'm gonna walk you outside with him and show you what he's got. But we got somebody else here. We gotta say hi to the camera. Oops, Tony Snow. Hey, Tony Snow. Tell everybody how you feeling after last night's races around Dallas. Tell them what happened last night.
We're in Mexico. Man, we did some shit, man.
It was actually crazy.
We set some records last night.
Let me just tell y'all what happened, man. I was at home. Good friend of mine I was like 11 years old. My best friend from Florida came by, and he popped up on me here, so I took him out for dinner. From there, went to the house. He took a shower, relaxed. I said, you know, let's go for a ride. So we went for a ride, and I said, let me go show you Tony's car because it's a really unique build. He ended up popping his car, and we just going all around Dallas having a great time. And we really had a blast for. I don't know how long we were out there, but we really had a good time. But amazingly, I only used a quarter tank of gas.
Shit, I
don't want to think about that.
I use half a tank.
Yeah, we used a quarter tank, man, but he was just going crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna walk you to this car and show you exactly. I didn't say that you asked me. I'll try to see what's going on with you. Yo, so we got the car here, man. I'm gonna walk it back and just explain it to you, man. He got a beautiful build with the forged carbon, as you can tell here. He got the reflective red. Man, it's amazing. We got this beautiful car coming up here, man, which is Tony Snow's car. But then what I want to show y'all, guys, this steering wheel has forged carbon print instead of a regular carbon fiber, but that's actually pretty hot. The car, he's put a lot of detail. I'm gonna walk you through the customer in a few minutes. So talk to us about your build, man. Tell us, this is your car here. Tell us everything about your build and what you got going on with her. In fact, walk us through it. Tell us what you did. You bought the car. Tell me everything you've done to it.
I bought it. The first thing I did was my lights. I did underglow.
Okay. I did see that you also had some lights in the headlights. I've seen that right here.
Yeah, I bought the custom headlights from Lighting Trends.
I see those. Those are the pre-built.
Yep.
What else you got done on her?
Well, let's start inside.
Let's start. Let's go through the whole process.
Took it, got exhaust done.
It's a gorgeous car, guys. This is nothing. We're gonna walk you through here, but wait till you get to see the rest. Got a lot of nice details in this car. You can see the word supercharged right here in gloss. You see that, guys? Gloss, supercharged there. He had custom.
I had them wrapped
hood top.
Inside the hood for custom.
Check this out, y'all. Custom purple. Then he had this, which I actually like a lot. This is a catch can, and I like the way that one looks. It's actually very simple. I got two here. This one has one. I actually like that a lot. That was actually a beautiful thing. But the details, guys, he got a purple supercharger. He's got this wrapped inside with a cool graphic. What is this supposed to be back here?
The HELLCAT mouth.
He's eating you out. I see it. Look at not that, but it's the mouth. You're actually inside. That's actually pretty interesting. Tell us more about your vehicle. You got the wrap done, of course. This was done by Reflection Details. No, this was done by the dude in
Rap Sesh.
Rap Sesh. And where's he at?
Vinyl Vixen.
Vinyl Vixen. What city is he in?
He's in Gilbert, Arizona.
Gilbert. That's like Chandler, I think, right, or something like that.
Chandler, Gilbert.
Now I'm gonna tell you guys something. This guy really killed this wrap. I'm gonna give credit where credit's due, guys. Look at this. He wrapped all the way the inside. As you can tell, all the way underneath the car. The car used to be white. He actually did everything around the whole vehicle. This guy, I gave props from day one that I seen it. He actually killed this wrap 100%. He did the door jams, but everything looks OEM and factory. Everything looks perfect. The guy did a killer job. And then he came out the reflector, right? So that actually glows out at night. That's one thing. This car is also known on the internet for showing what else you got. You got one of the first ones that I think that ever had this done to it, which is a pretty cool thing. So I'm gonna close this and come inside. But you see the doors? The doors have star ceiling. Then he has the roof star ceiling, but guys, the sunroof has star ceilings. The sunroof. They installed the sunroof with the star cylinder, because they actually did that really, really nice. He got a different thing. He did all the touch-ups inside here. He did all this here, and we just installed the steering wheel for him here, which you can see. We turn it on now. This is gonna be his steering wheel, just turned on from OKC, but it's a forged carbon print, not the regular print. And you had this done by one of your friends too, right?
Like Chris did it, and the steering wheel art guy did it. He recovered it.
I like the way they did this forged carbon.
I tried to match mine.
This was a beautiful idea from them. Who did this forged carbon?
Chris.
You had this order from them. That was actually a beautiful thing. I haven't seen this. This is the first time I've seen it. That's gonna be a show taker.
I hope so, because they got best interior. That's why I came here real quick. But steering wheel art, he's in Scottsdale. He did the leather. He had to rewrap it.
He was like a pink before, right? Or something like a brighter. It was like a different color before.
Yeah.
Like a pinkish. Yeah. So he had to wrap, but he did a great job of matching that color. Everything in the car, the concept came together perfectly. He's even got the details of the buttons. Look, guys.
Have them wrap it the same on the dash and outside.
So he's actually done this. This is actually the same color outside the car, but this car has been truthfully done 100% from anybody else that I've truthfully seen. You got a killer Challenger. You really, really, really do. And the roof is done in, of course, the forged carbon. The spoiler was also wrapped with forged carbon with the purple in the back. But these guys, they actually did the forged carbon back here. You see the drip coming down the forged carbon. So this is really something that he's put a lot of attention and love to, man. So now I got a question. Now you've had this car for this long, what are your next plans for her?
A YouTuber inspired me to do something with my grill, so I got a custom grill coming, and I'm gonna stop by down by Reel today and check out the wheels down there, because I want to get some nice wheels.
Man, real the Corleones are killing. That's what I got on my car. They're really
Yeah, I want something totally custom, you know, purple, and I want a deep wheel.
They can knock it out the water 100%. They can make the wheels for this 100% custom. They did my wheels.
If they can
With
do
my name on it.
Like
I
I got
love
my
it.
wheel, my wrap, the forged car, that'd be dope.
I'll tell you one thing, you're gonna go see Reel. I guarantee you Reel to figure out. Reel's got an eye for putting things together. He's the one that put my stuff together. He's actually got a great eye for that. I guarantee you that Reel's gonna be able to put this together very, very well. Congratulations on the car. The car is so unique. This is MOPARLIFE78, guys. I asked you to go share him because you're gonna see a big venture on this, man. But he got the little purple right there too. But he's been on a venture with this car of making one of the most unique ones. Honestly, I mean, it's one of the most simplest but most cleanest Challengers I've seen. He's actually got the lighting here too. It's done by reflecting, right? But that turns on right there. Got the little eye in there too. You can check that out. There it goes. There it goes, y'all. You got the red eye and it's flashing, whatever. So look what happens, guys. This guy put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into this car. How much money you got in this car? So people can understand that this is a hobby. How much money you got in this car?
I call her a side chick too. I was gonna put a side chick where the supercharge was, which I still might do when I rewrap the bumper. I know I'm over 20.
On add-ons?
On add-ons.
Besides the car?
Besides the car.
Besides the car, he's already at 20 racks in add-ons in his car. And you know what? It was 20 grand well spent, because the car looks unique. I'll tell you that right now. Tony, what you got to say about this car?
It's good, bro.
One of the hardest ones I've
I was
seen.
a fan of
Trying to keep it simple, but different.
You did it. You killed it. To my opinion, you really knocked it out the water. The car is truthfully a unique car. Man, he's even got this down here, which he ain't got on right now, but the car is a really unique car. You know what they say? Your car is just a car until it's unique. You've actually pulled it out the boat. Turbo, what's your opinion about this car?
I like his.
Besides, you don't like the Dodge part, but
I like it.
you like his Dodge. Because he don't like Dodges, but he likes yours.
That's not true. I'm tired of seeing the same shit, bro. That's it.
This is nowhere near the same. This is totally different. This car is completely unique.
I tried the old school, new school. I'm an old mopar guy. That's why I got the mopar on the hood. You know?
How about this? The Mopar design right there, yes.
Everybody does the whole hood. I want to just, you know, accent the bubbles.
The car is beautiful, man. And I actually did enjoy the car a lot, man. We want to thank you on camera for bringing us the car and letting us show you today. But guys, follow him up on Instagram. Really one of the most unique. I've seen the drip on the glass. Follow him, MOPARLIFE78, man. The guy's a cool dude. He has a beautiful car. It is one of the most unique ones you're going to see. Pay attention, man. Give him that follow, give him that like, man. And just give the guy support, because this one's going to be going a long way. I can tell he got a lot of time in it, and he can be putting more time. So follow this car, because I guarantee you the car could be a way different car as the years go by, man. Y'all be good.